lovely. And that's flying over there. Hey. Let me.
Landing.
Alright, so
it's a brand new DJI Neo. So let's unbox it. So this is the landing pad. Extra plates, some license, DJI manual, one more extra plate, remote control, and that's it. Wow. This one, lovely. This one, wow, pretty small. This one here, okay. The box comes with a lightning cable to C type. I think C to C type cable. Screwdriver to fix the propeller, and this one here is a charging case. That's 2 extra batteries. I've taken a fly mode combo, so it comes with 2 more batteries, and let me show you. So it comes like this, a set of 3 batteries. So it's a 2-way charger, so it can also work as a power bank for your phones or something. If you want to charge your camera or something, this works as a power bank. Comes with a set of 3 batteries. Yeah, this is the remote. Let's do the unboxing. See that. This is a DJI RC N3. If you do this, it's a sports mode. So this, it's a normal mode. Turn this on. Yeah, that's on. So this also have a holder where you can connect your phone through this, and you can have a look. Just like this. Can actually connect your phone like this, where I am actually using this feature to see the camera, and you can actually connect this one. Okay, good. You see this is just a very small size, just like this. It fits in your palm actually, but it is just that small. Fits properly in your hand. It just weighs 135 grams. You're gonna feel it, so it's just this much. And this drone supports DJI Mic 2. I've already got this DJI Mic 2 on my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and इसकी बैटरी है यहाँ. So इसको यहाँ पे हम लोग इसका ये स्टिकर हटाएंगे. These are the detachable battery है for the drones. I think the battery have weight, not the drone. This is much more heavy than the drone itself. So it also comes with a box like this. So what I do, this is how it's going to be looking like. See everything, the remote, it fits so good. You just have to do it like this, and it's going to come out. So let's keep it here. Just make sure all the corner goes inside the foam, and then you gently push it. And here, this mic, I've been using DJI mic for a good time now, so it's still with me. And here you can store the battery, the remote. You can also use this boxes to control to keep your the batteries. This is going to be from my and this is all the accessories that is come from. I've also got a 2-year warranty on this one, so anything happens to my drone, I'm gonna get a new drone. So yeah, it's good to get this, and also it comes with a 3 months of flying membership. So here is how you can use your remote. So this is the remote all around. You can charge it from here. You have to charge this port, and then you take out this one here and this one here. Remote. You're gonna put this on a screw. just like this, and this one just like this, and this is how you're gonna use it. So you do this, your drone gonna be on. So I need to pair this one. Then you don't have an antenna in this one, but yeah, you can definitely take off this one out to fit your mobile here, just like that. Very much. This goes down, turn it, open it, do it like this, here, here, and it's inside. You see that? Just like that. We'll do the same thing to the other one. This goes from like this, and then just press it, just like that. It's that simple. Now let's try turning this on. Now this is on, guys. So here it's some 6 feature. This is circular, this is helix, this is
Hey guys, so today I'm here with new drone, a new DJI product, and I've been waiting for a long to buy this. I've been waiting, and one of the best device I have ever bought, DJI Neo. It's a flying drone, and it's a drone, so it's not a flying drone, it's actually a drone. So let me show you how it is the first flight, how you turn this on. So there is a power button here, you press it once and then you hold it for 3 more seconds, and then this is gonna get activated. Yeah, now it's activated, guys. If you see this, you hear the sound. Now I'm gonna put it in my, just like this, in my hand, and then I'm gonna show you its first flight. And let me start process, and just land. I have to connect my app as well with this one. I don't know. Very nice. Pretty much sure. Very nice. Oh, beautiful weather, sunny day. And see this? It's a monster, guys. So let me show you its first flight. And it's gonna. Now let's try the circle mode. And ready to take off. Yes. Now it's taking a circle mode, and you can see this beautiful clouds behind me. Wow, can you see the, yes. And we're gonna stop, and then let's do a follow mode now. So this drone is gonna follow me rightly wherever I go. If you can see, it's here. Now the drone is pretty much flexible right now. I'm using a DJI Osmo Pocket. There is a lot of wind. Still, this camera is still flying firmly. Yeah, you can see this. Let me.
Landing.
All right. So this is how it is. This is how you land. This is how you land actually your DJI Neo, and this is my first ever experience flying a drone, buying a drone, and I'm pretty sure that, you know, this DJI is actually worth it, worth every penny I've spent. I spent around 300 quid, 300 pound. The camera comes with 6 modes, and it's good, lovely. So I'm just gonna, you know, move. Woo! Lovely car. Just see this drone, guys. Just see it. And it's gonna follow me. Woo! Lovely. So it stops very nicely, and let me show you how to land it. This is done, and very nice. off for now. It's off. So guys, I have finally taken the outside view of the camera and let's do it inside. To operate the device, you need to have a DJI app on your mobile and then you can connect it to the app. Let's go it again. Let's fly it here. Let's see the flight.
3, 2, 1. Unable to take off. Aim camera at subject first.
This one right now, guys. Let's see that.
3, 2, 1.
Guys, lovely. See, as you can see, it's blowing already. Coffee first here. And now I'm recording it on my DJI Neo with the audio already. I'm not going to use it, but yeah, here you can see it. It's flying in my room. You see that? Very nice. And I can also connect this drone to my DJI mic too. And very nice. I'm very happy with the purchase. It's come down. And now, wow. Let's land it. Let's just land it. Alright, I've given the command. And then you can just flip it off. And then it's off. You flip it off with your hand and it's gonna turn off perfectly for indoor and outdoor shooting. Like this is one of the best thing I ever done, like for the last 2 years. I tried it outside and then I think you have to be aware about the rules and regulations how to fly and then you cannot just fly it anywhere. But yeah, this one is a very nice purchase I've done so far. I'm gonna try and learn more about it. I'm gonna connect my DJI mic too with this one, and I'm gonna buy a DJI mic mini for my gimbal camera. And even this one have noise cancellation, so I do this, and also you will be able to DJI. This is DJI mic. Very nice. It's already compatible with the DJI Neo. Very nice mic. It also has a very good range. I know now I learned the basic, the follow modes, the helicopter, circle, follow mode, and you can also use a manual mode in this one. Goes to a nice height. Weighs only 135 grams. It can fly up to 18 minutes. So 18 minutes, and I've also taken a fly mode. Combo. So an extra 3 Delvin smart batteries with the drone. And this is how I've connected it through my phone, and I could see a live footage. If you see like this. So the way anywhere you move the camera. So right now I'm focusing it on the DJI Osmo, and you can see it on the phone. So yeah, it's a good user interface. Very nice user interface. You can see it. So this is the most. I think DJI has made a revolution in the camera industry. Very much. You just need to learn the basics. Very nice camera, just like that. Very nice. Quite great. You can just fly it in a high gain, but this one is like really good. It's really nice. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I also got this remote for this one. Okay, comments in the comment box. And very nice guys. Very